I will discuss one of the rice milling machine, which is paddy separator machine. Paddy separator machine is used to separate the brown rice from the paddy that is not behusked. It works according to the difference of specific gravity, granularity, and friction coefficient between paddy and brown rice. Through the special separating tray to screen the mixture, continuously making it in stratification state. Due to the function of separation, big density and small size brown towards the upper and separating tray, small specific gravity and large size paddy towards the lower part of the separating tray, then separating pure brown rice, mixture, and pure paddy. Paddy cleaner is suitable for the removing all sizes of impurities and stones from wheat paddy. Reasonable design, small volume, reliable operation, low energy consumption, good cleaning effects, and long service life. The capacity of paddy separator machine is 3,000 to 4,000 kg per hour. When a mixture of paddy and rice falls on a separator having a serrated surface and it oscillated at the appropriate frequency, rice settles down under the layer of paddy. If the inclination of the exceeds the angle friction between the rice and paddy, the paddy moves down the deck on the top of the layer of rice. Please watch the short video regarding to the paddy separator machine. There are the different parts of paddy separation machine: feeding hopper, refining box, distribution box, separation box, base, angle adjusting handle, switch box, control box, outlet, discharge box, gearing, level sensor. And that's all. Thank you for watching.